This is video 8 of the geography first lesson. Sustainable development. This word sustainable you would have heard many times, you would have learnt many times, read many times. Sustainable word, what does it mean? It means that we should do the development today by using the resources, and we should also leave the resources for the future generation. This is the meaning of the word sustainable development. So see, in the concept mapping, it is written here, development that does not damage the environment. Mind it, it should not damage the environment. It doesn't mean that we are using the resources, doing a lot of development today, polluting it in enough amount, but we are doing the development and we are not keeping the resources for the future generation. And so development that does not damage the environment, and then that development is taking place. So in the present, development is done, but resource is also kept for the future. I repeat, development is done without damaging the environment, by keeping the resources even for the future generation. There is no very fast use and depletion of the resources. How it is possible? It is not possible that by only thinking. For that we have to do the planning of the resource that is available. So how it is possible? It is possible through resource planning. So for this resource planning, we need a process. There is a process, there are steps involved. That first of all, identification is to be done, then planning for the resource will be done, then we have to match the resource development we have done with the national development. So let's see step by step. The first step involved is identification and inventory of the resources. We have to identify where the resource is there in the earth. So how it is done? In this also, again, in this identification, the steps are involved. Survey is done. Surveyor department is there. They do the survey of different part of the land in India, and they say that their mineral is there. Then a particular mapping is done that this mineral is available in this much square kilometer, and beyond that there is not there. Then what is the quality of that resource available? That is estimation is done. Qualitative it is done. How much it is there? Only estimation is there. All this estimation is done, and a rough measurement is done. If the resource is in very small amount, that by taking out that resource of coal, suppose, or petrol, it is there, it is going to finish in 1 month. We are not going to say that resource is available here in large amount. That's why survey is done, mapping is done, quality of that resource is there, what is the quantity available, so it is written here, quantitative estimation is done, and a rough measurement is made. See, previously while the classifications were done, if you remember that potential was there in the resource, but there it was not developed. Then when skills was put, technology was put, then that resource which was a potential resource, it became a developed resource. So planning for the resource development is done by using this one, skill, by using technology and institutional setup. Suppose coal is there. The government of India has got a department related to coal, like Coal India is there, that will do the estimation. Suppose there is a petrol find anywhere. Government India has got a department related to petrol that will do all this work. Now, with the resource development, a matching with the resource that we are going to find out or have been found out, when that development will be done, it is matched with the national development plans.